The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, it is the 18th day of April. I have to keep reminding myself that it's April because it feels like we're in a summertime scenario. You know, wearing shorts and T-shirts and getting into the car during the afternoon and it's real hot in the car, that kind of situation. We had 86 on Sunday and yesterday, and I think we're headed for the upper 80s next couple of days, and I still think we may be near 90 degrees by later on this week, but our attention turns to this weekend frontal system. It's a pretty strong front, as you'll see with all the information this morning. Could there be a line of strong to severe storms? I think so, and right now the timing is starting to look more and more like Saturday night-ish, maybe late. Let's get into the meat and potatoes of what we know this morning. This is your Tuesday morning weather briefing. It's that frontal system, that weak front stretched across North Alabama, which will be the best focus for any possible showers with thunderstorms again today, much like yesterday. I think the chances are relatively small across central and south Alabama, but not zero. In fact, as we go ahead and show you future radar, you see how showers and thunderstorms start to blossom later on in the afternoon heating across west central and north Alabama. But again, a stray shower, not out of the question, central and south Alabama in this very warm environment, almost like a summer situation. So while the rain chances are not zero, I'll say less than 20%. Mostly sunny today with a high around 87. That's 10 degrees too warm for this time of the year. Low tonight at 62. Southwest winds will be light, 4 to 8 miles per hour. Tomorrow, not much different. Some clouds. Very warm, a sun and cloud mix with a high temperature in the upper 80s. I think we'll be near 90 on Thursday. Very much like a summer situation. Again, primarily dry, but we can't rule out a stray shower somewhere in the area, even Friday afternoon, with temperatures cruising near the 90-degree mark. 1 o'clock Saturday, that's a prominent storm system on the Arkansas-Missouri border, moving this way with a frontal system across just west of the Mississippi River. Then by midnight Saturday night, probably a line of strong, possibly severe storms coming into northwest and west central Alabama, and then cruising through the area in the overnight hours, damaging wind gusts, the main threat. Here's 7 o'clock on Sunday morning, showing the front into northwest and west central Alabama, moving on eastward, and by 1 o'clock in the afternoon, it's out of here, and much cooler air drains in, breezy cooler, so it's going to be a significant cool down, a big change. So upper 80s tomorrow, and then near 90 on Thursday and Friday. Lows will be in the low 60s. Then on Saturday, I think we're still in the upper 80s. Storms coming in Saturday night, especially in the overnight hours, and some leftover showers and storms on Sunday, and maybe even a shower Sunday afternoon. Look at the big temperature change. This is dramatic. You can see the blue bars at the bottom indicating the storm system Saturday night into Sunday. Look at the warm temperatures on Friday and Thursday, then the big, sharp cool down following the front. In fact, if you look at the GFS numbers and you take the numbers literally, you see maybe a couple of upper 40s. That may be too dramatic, but you get the idea. There's going to be a big shift in temperatures behind that front, so it's an important front that needs to be watched. Hey, our weather app has not just hourly forecasts and 10-day forecasts. It has radar, future radar, current conditions, our blog updates, all these videos, and now the Alabama Broadcasters Association have given it an award, so we can call it our award-winning weather app. Search the app stores for Rich Thomas Weather and get it on your phone and tablet before these big weather changes materialize. Yeah, so that weekend front will bring a dramatic change in temperatures. That's something we don't see in the summertime. There's no dramatic shifts at all. It's more subtle. So we'll be watching that front very carefully. Hey, I'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg and Jay and Emily and Bailey, who's right there. Hey, Bailey. Hi. She's a good dog, and she's by Daddy's side all the time on the radio. And by the way, there'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. Actually, it's usually online about 15 minutes earlier than that. But I give you that 15-minute cushion just in case there are glitches. And, of course, blog updates as needed. Have a great day today. It's going to be like summertime. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.